are moving into time steps. And in level 2.6, I give my students an overview of time steps that are considered traditional or standard time steps. So we've already covered the Walls-Klog's time steps and the military time steps. Now we're getting into time steps that when people say, hey, let's do a time step, this is what people think of. We have some we're going to do that will start with a shuffle. We have some we're going to do that will start with a stomp. And then later on, we'll get into ones that start with a slide and ones that start with a rond de jambe or a circle of the foot. But up first is going to be your single shuffle time step. The first set I'm going to teach you is a set that starts with shuffle, and I'm going to turn sideways. So most of the standard time steps start with either a shuffle, and that's a nice shuffle to the front, or sometimes they'll start with a stomp, where you're not putting your weight on it, you're just going to stomp and pick it up, or what's called a stomple, where you stomp and then brush back. So all of these are correct, they're just different variations. We're going to start with the shuffle because I find people learning time steps for the first time, if you start with a stomp, they tend to do this and step on it and change their weight, and it messes them up. Whereas the shuffle, you can't change your weight, so your weight's going to be in the correct place and you're not having to fight that little problem. So the single, we're going to start with a single. And that means that there is going to be a step somewhere in the combination that for the double will become a flap and for the triple will become a shuffle step. I tell you a little rule of thumb, if a time step has a hop in it, if you look at what happens immediately following the hop, chances are that's what's going to tell you single, double, triple. So we are going to start with that right foot. You're going to do a shuffle. Then you're going to do a hop. I'm going to do a heel drop because I'm needing to keep things kind of low impact. So I'm going to do a hop heel drop instead of a hop. Then you're going to step on that right foot, and then you're going to do a flap with the left foot, and you got to change your weight, and then you step back. Then you do it on the other side. You start with your shuffle, hop or heel drop, step, flap, step. Okay? With the rhythm, it's going to be shuffle, hop, step, fall, lap, step, shuffle, hop, step, fall, lap, step. So there's a nice pause after that hop. You want to make sure to not fill in that space. Leave that pause there. Let's try it kind of nice and slow a few times. So you're going to do shuffle, hop, step, fall, lap, step, shuffle, hop, step, fall, lap, step, shuffle, hop, step, fall, lap, step, shuffle, hop, step, fall, lap, step. 8 and 1, 2 and 3 and 4 and 5, 6 and 7 and 8 and 1, 2 and 3 and 4 and 5, 6 and 7 and. Now if I was hopping, I would be on my toes the whole time. But because I'm substituting a heel drop for the hop, my heel is going to come down there. But technically, this should be a very light time step that stays on the toes. There's nothing heavy about it at all. Because a lot of you are learning this for the first time, let's kind of break it down bit by bit. So I want you to start with that right foot, and I want you to just do a shuffle. Again, shuffle, again, again, again. And I am keeping that foot in front of the leg I'm standing on. We're not going to cross behind it all. So you do your shuffle. Now we're going to add the hop or heel drop, okay? So you're going to do shuffle, hop, again, shuffle, hop, again, shuffle, hop, again, shuffle, hop. Now we're going to add that step, and when you step, you're going to step back, and it should be just on your toes. So you're going to go shuffle, hop, step, again, shuffle, hop, step. Make sure you're changing your weight. Shuffle, hop, step, again, 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 shuffle, hop, step. Now we're going to add the flap step. I'm going to add these two together because it's it's just kind of hard to do the flap and then stop there. So you're going to do fall, lap, step. I'm turning sideways so you can see fall, lap, step. You got to change your weight on the flap and then again on the step. Fall, lap, step. Fall, lap, step. Okay, so adding that on, you're going to go shuffle, hop, step, fall, lap, step. Let's do that again. 5, 6, 7, shuffle, hop, step, fall, lap, step. 5, 6, 7, shuffle, hop, step, fall, lap, step. 5, 6, 7, shuffle, hop, step, fall, lap, step. Okay, now let's break it down on the left side. So we're going to start with that shuffle. Again, again, again. Now add the hop or heel drop. Shuffle, hop, again. Shuffle, hop, again. Shuffle, hop, again. Shuffle, hop, again. Shuffle, hop. Now we're going to add that step back. So you're going to go shuffle, hop, step. Make sure you change your weight and pick up the other leg. Here we go. Shuffle, hop, step. Again. 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 Shuffle, hop, step. Now we're going to add the flap step. So now it's the right foot, fall, lap, step. You got to step on it. Brush, step, step. Brush, step, step. Brush, step, step. Okay, so starting with that left foot, you have shuffle, hop, step, fall, lap, step. Let's do it again. 5, 6, 7, shuffle, hop, step, fall, lap, step. Again, 5, 6, 7, shuffle, hop, step, fall, lap, step. 5, 6, 7, shuffle, hop, step, fall, lap, step. Okay, let's put it together now. So you're going to do the right side, shuffle, hop, step, fall, lap, step, and then right away, start the left, shuffle, hop, step, fall, lap, step. Here we go. 5, 6, 7, shuffle, hop, step, fall, lap, step, 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 shuffle, hop, step, fall, lap, step. Good. How'd you do? We're going to go one more time. So something I want to point out, when I teach this to people who have not learned it before, it seems to me there are a couple things that happen. One is everyone's trying to flap where they're supposed to shuffle, and everybody's shuffling where they're supposed to flap. And you need to just drill it on your own to get over that. So you're shuffling, weight change, you do your hop, then you step back, then you have your flap that changes weight, and your step that changes weight. Then you do it again, you shuffle, you hop, you step, flap, step. The other thing that happens is people don't change their weight on their flap. And I very often will see people do shuffle, hop, step, and then they're kind of like, do I step here? And it's like, no, you gotta step on it first. So they're doing like a slap step instead of slap step. So make sure you change your weight on your flap. A flap is not a flap unless you actually step on it and put weight onto it. All right, let's go one more time. 5, 6, 7, shuffle, hop, step, fall, lap, step, 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 shuffle, hop, step, fall, lap, step. Five, 6, 7, shuffle, hop,